Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's episode, we're diving into a super common task for any IT pro. How to reset or change a user's password in Active Directory? Let's get right to it. You received a ticket? I cannot log in. My password isn't working. First up, open Active Directory users and computers. Before you do anything else, make sure you're in the right organizational unit, or OU. Just go to your Start menu, type it out, and hit Enter. Step 2. Find the user. You can use the search function or just browse through the OU tree on the left. Once you've located the employee, right-click on their name and select Reset Password. Step 3. Reset Password Secure Method. Right-click User. Gives Reset Password. If applies. Step 4. Enter New Password. If we need to reset the password because they do not remember their last password, then select this option. 1. Type temporary password. 2. Check user must change password at next logon if required. 3. Optional. Uncheck user cannot change password if future change allowed. Step 5. Force change at next logon. Best practice user must change password at next logon. Asterisk right click. The user gives reset password. Set a temporary password that meets policy. Step 6. If the account is locked, unlock it clean, fix right-click user, gives properties, gives account tab, gives check, unlock account, gives apply. Important wording, fix N, apply, and the account will be unlocked, not locked. Step 7. Communicate the temporary password safely. Send the secretary. Password safely. Send the temporary secure method, never in public, Teams channels. Step 8. Document and close the ticket. Real IT professionalism. Update the ticket. Password reset completed. User must change at next logon. Account unlocked, if applicable. Common mistakes: resetting wrong user, not checking user must change password at next logon. Not documenting ticket, creating weak passwords. Real information technology. It tip open the ticket, confirm the username, urgency and approval. No ticket equals no reset. Always double-check the username and document every action. This prevents security and legal issues. Quick checklist. Open to D users and computers, found the correct user, reset password, checked mandatory. Change next, log on, documented in ticket. 8. Motivational closing. Resetting a password is easy. The real skill is doing it safely and without mistakes. Thank you for visiting. I see you soon again. Next episode. Safe ways to lock a Windows computer to protect data, access, and your job. Season 1, Episode 3.